Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix our household band account on Telegram. To know how to fix our household band account on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.